Levi!
God, finally.
Levi, Aaron, Eugene!
What do you want, old lady?
Don't be talking to your mama like that.
Yo, see, I got tithers.
I ain't no mama.
Your saggy scrotum.
I ain't got no sass. Grotto.
What is she making over?
Levi, show Ashley your transvestite hair.
No, you showed me that. I know. I
He
saw
looks
that.
like a woman.
Levi.
He looks like Isis from America's Top Model. That's a nice forehead. Oh my God, my hand is. E.T. E.T.
No, E.T. phone home. Levi. Oh my God, what are you eating?
A salad.
Everything in the freaking fridge. What'd you say?
Last night there was this guy that was like 400 pounds on Oprah, and it was like he's killing himself. Like, can he save his life? You know what I mean? And I was like, nope, you fat ass. She slapped me.
No. Yo.
Ew!
Yes. Such a fat ass. I'm gonna kill you, bitch.
Look at my face just comes in.
One shot at that knife. It was funny because it
Oh!
was bitch. Bitch.
Look at.
You're bitch.
Okay, Levi, enough of your bitch.